All right, so in the previous video, we looked at performing update action in MongoDB using Python and the package pymongo. In this video, we're going to be looking at the delete action. So how do we delete a record in MongoDB using Python? All right, so let's start off by creating a new file here. I'm going to call this delete.py. And of course, we are still going to simply import this set of items that we have here. So let's go ahead and simply say from main import db collection and client. Okay, so to perform that delete action, we're simply going to say delete user by name. And that is because we want to delete the user by name. So let's go ahead and add some comments here. So I'm going to say delete a single document using the user's name. Okay. All right. So in here we can proceed to say result equals collection dot delete one, right? Delete one, not delete many, and we can pass the name, which is basically acting as the item we are trying to basically acting as the pointer to the item we're trying to delete right here. So we can specify the name, which is what will be passed in here. Okay, and we can now return the result dot deleted count because we want to know if this record was actually deleted or not. We can also include the so this should be delete many records. We can also include the function for deleting multiple records, right, or multiple documents. Let's call that documents. Okay, so let's say delete. So let's say delete users. We can say users by age, because we have multiple users with the same age. So we can just delete, those users by the age. All right. And we're going to pass in the age right here. So we'll simply say result equals collection dot delete many. And here we can pass the age, right? So we can say age just like this. Okay. Let's go ahead and return result dot deleted count as well. Okay, so let's try out the examples. Let's say delete user by name. We would simply have deleted equals deleted. Okay, and we can pass in the name. Okay, what we are going to do is to simply check MongoDB. So I have Mavsali. Let's copy that. Back here, we are simply going to paste that name just like this, and we can simply print deleted. Okay, so if I come down to the terminal here, let's simply run Python. Let's clear this first, and I'm going to say Python delete the py. So you see we have one record deleted. If I come back here and I refresh this page, you see Mafsali is no longer here. I think we have multiple Mafsali record. So let's look for a simple, yeah, we have multiple Mafsali record, obviously. Let's delete Map Solomon's record instead. So I'm going to jump back in here to say Map Solomon. Let's change this. Let's save that and let's run this again. Now you see we have a record deleted. We can refresh this page. You see we no longer have Map Solomon. That has been deleted. Okay, and next we are going to test the function to delete multiple users by the age. So I'm simply going to say deleted equals delete users by age. We're going to pass the age of 70 because I know we have records with oh yeah, we have 70 here, 70. So we're simply going to delete all the records with 70. Okay, so let's go ahead and simply pass in the value of 70 right here. So if I save that, I'm going to simply say print deleted, deleted, just like this. By the time I run this, we see we now have two records that were deleted. Let's click on our MongoDB Compass UI. Let's refresh, and you see we no longer have a record with age of 70 that has been deleted from the execution of this specific function. Okay, so that is it. This is how you simply use pymongo to perform the basic CRUD operations. And of course, this forms the basis of most of the actions that you are going to be performing with MongoDB. There are additional ways to query. There are additional ways to query your database to perform aggregations and basically a lot of advanced query options. As you keep learning, you pick up some of these things gradually. And of course, I would always share resources for those of you on the Discord server as well as the Telegram channel. Feel free to request for more materials, and I would do my best to share more resources with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next series. Bye.